Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishav and I'm here again with another new video. So today in this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT 5 and create a React web app. Okay, so I will tell you how ChatGPT thinks and how it can help you to grow yourself. Okay, it is a great tool that you can use in your development journey. So let's move to the computer screen and I will tell you further. So now we are on my computer screen, so let's start the video. So first of all I will open my browser, and here you can see I have asked which version of GPT you are. So it given the response like I am GPT-5. Okay, so I will show you a previous conversation that I had with this GPT-5. So here you can see I have written the prompt like I want to create a React JS application in which I want to upload a photo and remove its background, and then download it. Use Node.js, completely free way to do this. Help me with each step, set up React, create project, everything. Okay, so like that I have given the prompt, and then GPT-5 start building my project after thinking. So here you can see it thought for 1 minute 44 seconds, and here you can see the analysis also, like it is considering open source models that run in Node like U2net, which supports ONX. Okay, which is a runtime in Node, and other options also it mentioned here. Okay, like here you can see, and further steps also it mentioned. Like if you see here, it mentioned like I found an open source JS library, background removal JS, which uses WebAssembly and U2net, entirely client side. Okay, so it is searching these things also, and for deployment also it is using Azure. Okay, so all the steps it mentioned here, like it is using free tier, and here you can see could set up a minimal express server, and to avoid server cost it will use Imagely background removal JS library. Okay, that is a browser only solution. So these things and steps it mentioned here, and if you scroll below here you can see the links also it provided. Okay, so one by one you can go through the links and explore more. Now it is drafting React Vite app with AGPL license caution, and it also provides the option for a server-side solution using imgly background removal node in a node environment. Okay, so it given the two applications. So here is the link. I will open the link of the npm website and show you. Okay, so this is the official website of npm. Here you can see this is the package that this ChatGPT 5 is using to building our background removal app. Okay, so here you can see this is the version and the size mentioned here, and weekly 7,736 downloads also. Okay, so it is published 1 month ago, so this is a good package I believe. So here is the installation steps also mentioned here. Okay, so by copying this you can install this in your React web app. Okay, so you can go through this website also for more details of this package, and I will scroll down and see. Okay, so now I will go back to this prompt, and here you can see it is mentioning like I will create a step-by-step tutorial, and everything about deployment also it mentioned, and the folder structure and the commands it also mentioned here, dependencies also it mentioned. So everything it given. Okay, all the steps and all, but it given the response in Hindi, and also the link to download the zip file. Okay, so I will download this zip file, and here you can see I already downloaded it. This is the zip file that it provided, so you can also download it, and you can use the same prompt that I have given to get the same response. And also I have mentioned like please tell me these things in English, so it given again by translating all, and it is given the steps. Okay, like create this project, use these commands to navigate to the project and install the dependencies. Okay, so I have downloaded the zip file. I will open this. I will extract these two files in a specific folder, so I will use desktop to extracting it. So I will give one slash and write projects. Okay, that it will create a project directory and extract these two folders. Okay, so now I open my desktop, open this folder, and these are the two projects. One is backend project, that is an API. This is the one, and if you go back, the second one is the React app. Okay, it is having the UI also. So quickly I will open this with VS Code, and my VS Code is opened. Here you can see I will make it full screen. Let's wait for a few seconds, and here you can see this is the agent of GitHub Copilot. I close that, and I will make this folder trustable. So I will click this button, I will close the welcome screen, and by pressing Ctrl tilde I will open my terminal. Okay, so this is the PowerShell terminal, but usually I prefer command prompt, so I will change my terminal to command prompt, and now it is switched. I will close the old one. Okay, so this is the command prompt terminal. Okay, so now quickly I will install the node modules. So for that I will write npm I, or you can write npm install also, and it will download the node modules folder. Okay, here also it given the instruction to write npm install and then npm run dev. Okay, so quickly I will scroll down, and let's see what are the further steps it mentioned. So here it is mentioning like on first time load it will take 40 to 80 MB in removing the background of image. Okay, so these are the things mentioned here. So I will minimize this tab, and we got an error. So why this error is coming, let's debug it. So it is giving something like unable to resolve dependency tree, bg remover, react. Okay, so the dependency is not installed, so we need to download and install these on x runtime. Okay, so here you can see node modules is also not downloaded, so I will minimize this one, and here you can see these are the two. Okay, it is already there in package.js, and then why it is not downloading. Okay, let's try to remove this. So I will select it and remove it. I will make it cut, Ctrl X. I will remove the comma. Okay, now I will try npm I. Okay, so I will scroll down, first save it, Ctrl S. Okay, and here I will write again npm I. Okay, and enter. Now it will download the node modules folder. Yeah, now it is doing. So here I will go to settings. I will turn on the auto save. So I will go to settings, I will search for auto save. Okay, now it is coming. I will select the drop down as after delay, means after few milliseconds or 1 second it will save my file. I will show you, like I will delete this comma and it will save the file. Okay, so now it is working. Now node modules folder is available. Now I will try npm start. Okay, to run the server. Now let's wait for a few seconds. Again it is giving error. Why it is giving error? Okay, I think we didn't install the package yet, because previously also it is giving the error. Yeah, so we need to first install the dependencies. So I will write npm I will open any file. At below this file I will paste whatever I have cut from that previous package.json. So I open my clipboard. If you press Windows and V, it will open your clipboard, and I will copy this name, and after npm I will paste it. So Control V. Okay, it is not working, so I need to press Shift Insert to paste it in command prompt. Okay, and then hit enter. Now it will download the dependency. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. Now we will go to package.json, and we will check like it is added in our package.json or not. Okay, so here it will be added after the installation. So till then I will open my browser tab, and I will write here to download a face image. Okay, so I will write download person image, and I will hit enter, and I will take which image I will take. This one looks good, or I can take this girl image. Okay, so I will open this image. I will visit the page. Okay, it will be opened in some other website maybe. So let's wait for a few seconds, let it load. Okay, so this is the image. I will open this image and I will download it. So this is Adobe stock website. Okay, it is asking for money, I guess. So what we can do, okay, we can take a screenshot of this image just for testing purpose. Okay, so I will click on new and I will take a snap of this. So I will create a rectangular box and then it will got opened in this snip and sketch. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it is coming now. Now we will save it. So I will click on the save button. Okay, now I will save it in the same directory. Okay, I will open the projects one and I will save it here by renaming the name as img. Okay, so I will write img and click on save. Now I will close this one. So I have an image that we can use to test the background removal app. Okay, so here now I will start the application again by clicking npm start. So again it is giving error. Okay, so here I need to write npm dev because it is a Vite application and the script is dev. So I will write npm dev. Okay, it is asking to write like npm run dev, so I will write npm run dev. Okay, now it will work. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now it is building. Yeah, why it is giving error? Not found expected. Okay, yeah, we didn't remove this one, so we will remove it from the bottom because it is a syntax error. So I will start the server again, npm run dev. Now it should definitely work. So we will wait for a few seconds, let it start. So now my server is running on 5173 localhost. Okay, so I will click on this link. It will be opened in new tab. We will open the DevTools by pressing F12, and you can open this DevTools to see what is the error, why everything is blank here. So here you can see one error is coming, and it is some node modules, this package related, and it is coming in app.jsx2 line number 2. So we will open the src folder. We will go to the app.jsx, and here this is the line giving error. So this preload I think is not used anywhere, so we will remove it. So I will select it and remove it, and or else you can do one thing, just duplicate it by pressing alt shift down arrow. You can duplicate it, comment the above one, and then remove this one so that we will have a backup. Okay, and we will put it in curly braces. Okay, and now we will go to browser again, and again it is not coming. We will reload it. Okay, now it is coming. You can see what a good UI it built, and this ChatGPT 5 is really amazing in making UIs. Okay, and also it mentioned like 40 to 80 MB it will take to download the model. Okay, so I will click on choose image. I will navigate to the projects folder where I saved the screenshot of this girl. I will open it. Okay, so this is the girl image, and we will now remove the background of this image. So we have a remove background button. So here you can see how smoothly it is transition to working text. Okay, so it is a kind of progress, and here you can see some progress is also going on, like some percentage. So it is a good UI. Some improvements also it can make here, like adding a progress bar or a loader, like something. Okay, so those improvements you can make by giving the prompts. Okay, and now it is completed 100%. It is actually downloading the model to do the work on this client side. Okay, in browser itself. And here you can see how beautiful this image is looking. It removed the background completely, but here are some mistakes also, but we will download it first and then we will analyze it. Okay, so it got downloaded. I will open the file. So we will wait, and this file will be opened in my photos app. It is my old laptop, that's why some lag is there. So here I will zoom, and here you can see it is removing it for free without using any paid API, but there is some mistakes, like some blue tint is coming. So we will use the remove bg website to compare our output and the remove bg website output. Okay, so we will open this remove bg website. I will upload one image, the same image I will upload it here. So I will take this img file, open it, and now we will try removing the background here in remove bg. Okay, this chat gpt 5 is amazing, but it requires human intervention. Okay, so I will download this preview file because it is free, and I will open this one and we will compare now. So here you can see remove bg is a good API in removing the background. Also you can use the remove bg API in this web app, but it is not completely free. Okay, so you need some credits and you need to spend some money to get the API key, and then you can use it in your web app for a hassle free background removal process. Okay, so now I will compare the file size. So this cutout one and this is the remove bg one. So you can see our image is larger file size. So if you are considering this project or you want this background removal thing in your enterprise application, then you should use the paid version of any background removal API to get the accurate output. So by pressing Ctrl C you can stop your server. Okay, so I will close this application now. So hope you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and I will meet you guys again in new video. So till then, bye bye, take care, and best of luck for your future.